Looks like the neighbor is installing a 3,000 watt solar panel setup on the roof. I already have mine installed and I am cooking rice. It'll be done in a minute. It's still cooking. Oh no, it's keep warm. Okay, this is what I have. It's sort of like a mix vegetable, shrimp, pork, sweet soy sauce, rice, one pot. Took about 45 minutes to cook.